So my radar assisted cruise control doesn't work. Tells me that it is unavailable, and I called Toyota and they told me that there's a sensor right here that it's dirty. So you can see I have a bunch of bugs that probably caused it. So I'm gonna clean it, and you can see it, yeah, it's a little bit dirty. So I'm gonna clean it and see if this is going to fix the problem. Now it's perfectly clean, so now the sensor should work. I assume it's probably somewhere right here. So now I'm driving and I turn it on and off multiple times. Now I see when I engage this radar cruise control, and now it does work. Before the symptoms were I could feel like a little jolt in the car and something was not engaging. I guess it was a little software problem, and now engages. So try to do it several times and we'll see if it happens. If not, if cleaning the lens where the radar is situated, which is in the middle of the Toyota side in front of the car, if that doesn't clear the problem, that means there is a software problem, which I was thinking I had a problem. Eventually it cleared, so I'm good to go.